So guys, as you see, the dash panel is out now. The only thing you have to do is loosen that screw and the screw on the left of the counter to get the dials out. On the downside you have these clamps over here and over there, depending on how old your MK2 is. You need to get them loose to get the counter out, and then you can just slightly pull it forward. Watch this little plastic thingy over there. You need to get past that, so the best option is to push your dash a bit up and then turn the counter down, and make sure you remove the cable for your speedometer, because otherwise it will break. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys. So guys, what we see now is that all the screws are loosened up. So the one over here, there is one and two over here, there's one over there, and please don't forget there's also one over there. Now you can just pull out this panel. So every cover, switch, heater panel, etc. is out now. So even the light switch over there with the little thing at the back, and over there too. So let's screw the rest out now. So if you got the heater panel off, there's a little screw over there and a little screw over there. It's this little plastic thingies which sort of keeps it into place, and you need to screw it out first. So guys, when you got the heater panel out, you need to click this thing loose to get the full heater panel off. And then the heater panel guys, first pull that one off, that one off, and that one off, and then you can just click out the heater panel. Well, all these switches are out. This one's out, and now the last one. I already mentioned to get it loosened up a bit. You can just pull it out, and there's a clamp behind it to get the full switch out. So that's really easy. So depending on which version you have, this is the handbrake light. You can just pull it out and also pull it out in the back. So as you guys see, the blank plates are out now. I've opted to keep them, these ones, all in one row, and the underside only blank plates. So pulling these out really easy. Just pull this and it comes out. Hi guys, welcome to my Volkswagen. Hi guys, welcome to Cortex. Today I'm in my Volkswagen MK2, the Golf, and I'll show you guys how to get out the instrument cluster. I have a little problem with the condensator on the back, so I need to repair it, and I'll show you guys how to get the cluster out. So at the moment I don't got a radio in it, so it's a bit easier. You first start with getting all the switches out and the blank plates out on the right and on the left, and get the heater panel out. So let's do that now.